Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Here's Gigi greeting you. I have to tell you this weird story. Yesterday I was in my studio. My studio's right here. And I had the window open, the balcony door open, which I like to do because, you know, Gigi was out here sunning herself and we were just enjoying the beautiful weather. And I heard this thing that sounded like a buzzsaw. And I'm like, what the heck's going on? This is crazy. And I looked down and there was this massive insect, and it freaked me out because I thought of all the stories I heard about these toxic bees and everything else, and just, oh, crazy, and people got really stung bad, and Gigi was going after it, and I freaked. I'm like, oh my God, she's going to eat a bee. So I took my laundry rack that I had here full of laundry, and I shook it up and down to get Gigi's attention so that she would stop going after the bee, which she did, but then the buzzing stopped. And then I looked down and I had accidentally killed the thing with my laundry rack. It was this massive big scarab thing. So I figured, okay, here's the story behind it. So some pharaoh in Egypt has decided to incarnate himself into a big giant scarab and come over here and give me and Gigi a message to save all of mankind. But he didn't really realize that insects are not my thing. So now he's dead underneath my laundry rack. And a little message to these guys in the future. If you want to give me an important message, make it a puppy, you know, make it a message in a bottle. Don't send me a big giant bug because it's not going to end well. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. See you soon.